Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to invite friends to server on Discord. All you have to do is to make sure that you're logged into your Discord account. Go to your server. It's on the top left corner. Kindly tap the arrow and then below server, we have here invite people. Click this one. Now, this is very simple. All you have to do is to search for the friend's username here, or it could be like email address or something like that. Now, once it appears, all you have to do is to tap this invite, or you can just simply copy this link below here and then paste it somewhere or anywhere on your social media platform. You can paste it to your messenger and send it to your friend, and your friend will click the link and he will be invited automatically to your Discord. Also, you can paste it to your Gmail, you can paste it to your TikTok, you can paste it to your Instagram, anywhere. Okay. And also, we have here settings like you can just simply allow this expire after. For the you can choose 1 hour, 2 hours, or never. For maximum number of users, you can choose one to up to 100. Everything is up to you. And you can also generate a new link if you want. Okay. So once done, you can just paste this link to anywhere. And that's how easy it is to invite friends to server on Discord. I hope this tutorial helped you, and thank you so much for watching. See you again in our next video tutorials.